Hi, my name is Suzanne, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Gelatine Sculpt before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Gelatine Sculpt is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Gelatine Sculpt and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Gelatine Sculpt has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. After numerous laboratory tests, researchers developed a natural formula with carefully selected ingredients such as green tea extract, pure gelatine, turmeric, burned berberine, glycine, alanine, and powerful metabolic support nutrients. These components work together to support the natural production of GLP-1 and GIP hormones, helping to accelerate fat burning, reduce stubborn belly fat, control appetite, and promote healthy and consistent weight loss. By acting directly on metabolism and supporting lean muscle preservation, Gelatine Sculpt helps your body stay in fat-burning mode longer, working from the inside out, right at the root cause of slow metabolism and rebound weight gain. No more relying on extreme diets or harsh weight loss methods. This is a natural alternative that supports your body where the real transformation begins. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Gelatine Sculpt, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Gelatine Sculpt for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Gelatine Sculpt to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. Many people can see the first results within the first few weeks, but the most lasting results come with consistent use after about 2 months of continuous use. It is also important for you to know that Gelatine Sculpt has no side effects, as it is made with 100% natural ingredients. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Gelatine Sculpt from, and remember I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Gelatine Sculpt actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.